Haven't taken any videos of Kingy that I can think of, so thought after the drama of the last few days would take more photos and do a video. As you can see, he's quite comfortable, very relaxed. That's the front door behind him. I'll just go around the side. Don't know what the light's like here. Hello, Kingy. Chook chook. It's been skittish yesterday and today. Oh, he didn't come yesterday, but skittish today and the day before. And we still don't know whether that was his partner that he lost, or whether it was a baby that had fallen out of the nest, or we just don't know. Probably will never know. But he's certainly a bit skittish. Over here is Jack. Jack's another favourite of ours. Jack's history is very well, the history is he's been visiting us now for how long, Evelyn? 4 years? Yeah. At least 3 or 4 years. There are plenty of photos on my Facebook page with Jack, I know that. He's blind in the right eye. If I can get around there, if you look, you can see he's got a bad eye. He loves his almonds. He's been through the wars. When he first came, he was, I wouldn't say barely alive, but he'd obviously been under attack. He's a regular. He's here at least twice a day. He had a partner called Jill. Jack and Jill. Did you get that, guys? Is that Jill?
That's Mango.
And Jill since partnered up with another rescue bird called Lopsy. And Lopsy's around somewhere. Where's Mango? Ah. Okay. Kingy just took off. This is Mango. If you look at his left foot, he's holding it up. How did we get the name Mango? Very, very simple. Mangle foot, shortened to Mango. And Mango has come a long way in the... There he goes, he's just taken off with a piece of corn. Mango's been coming less than a year now, and from a very skittish wild bird, and he is still a wild bird, we can now give him food quite readily, and he won't run off as he used to. Jack meanwhile is having his feast, and because it's all wet, been rainy, pouring the last few days, getting a lot of regulars returning from the river. The Laura keeps pushing their weight. These lorikeets, they might be small, but I can tell you they'll take on anything that's bigger than them. And when Kugelhoff, our pheasant Kugel, arrives later today, and if I remember, I'll try and do a video of him because we haven't taken a video. Here's Mango.
Not Mango.
Not Mango?
No.
Who is it?
Just one of our regulars.
Oh, just one of our regulars. They're quite happy, they'll let us. The ones that know us are happy to let us... Anyway, here's Jack. He'll take his corn and staying normally, he'll fly off with it, eat it up in one of the trees. Okay. This is breakfast time with the birdies in the ring. That's Jack. He's the king of a castle. All the other birds... There he goes, off to the tree. All the other birds give way to Jack. He has got a bit of a nasty temper. Doesn't take shit. Okay.